This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Opera GX, the famous gaming browser. So I'm right here on the main download page for Opera GX. You can find it at opera.com/gx, so pretty short URL, but I will put that link in the video description so you can just click that and wind up here. You don't need to do any typing or searching or anything. So we have two options right here for actually downloading it. Now, I'm on a Mac. It knows that I'm on a Mac. If you're on a Windows machine, it will know that, and it will give you the Windows option. You can scroll down and find the other options at the bottom if you want to, but I am on a Mac, so I'm going to use this one right here. So we click on this red download button, and it's now saying get ready to play. You see that the icon just flew up there, depending on, well, showing that it's downloaded. So depending on what browser you're using, I have Google Chrome, so all of my downloads go straight into the downloads folder on my Mac. You will now open up the installer and follow those instructions. Hopefully you have found this short video on how to download Opera GX useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more.